expect numbers to come down at all. In fact, they will continue to rise, but hopefully at a slower rate than before, so that we can ride through this wave without overwhelming our healthcare system. After this wave crests, and it certainly will at some point in time, the daily numbers will come down, but they will stabilize at a new level, which is likely to be much higher than what we have been used to before. In other words, we are not going back to a scenario of low daily cases anymore. It's not going to be possible because we are moving forward to learn to live with the virus, and we are continuing with our reopening plans. So that's part of the adjustment that we all have to make to prepare ourselves for the time when COVID becomes an endemic disease and learn to live with more daily cases.
Ministers say the tightening of rules this time around does not equate to a heightened alert, but a so-called stabilization phase. The stricter measures will be reviewed after 2 weeks and possibly adjusted based on the situation then. So, from this coming Monday, permissible group sizes for social gatherings will be reduced to a maximum of 2 people from the current maximum of 5. At the same time, the maximum number of unique visitors per household will be reduced to 2 per day, and individuals should continue to limit their overall number of social gatherings to not more than once a day.
I know that many Singaporeans and businesses will be disappointed by today's announcement. I want to assure you that Singapore remains committed to reopening. We will continue to work with businesses to implement these measures and prepare for reopening. And Singapore will remain connected to the rest of the world. The journey may take longer so that we can do so safely. I seek your patience and support while we adjust our response to ride this wave and future waves of infections.
Now, when it comes to dining in at F&B outlets, the rules are also changing. From Monday, only pairs will be allowed to dine in if both people are fully vaccinated. That's a reduction from the current limit of 5 people for dine-in. Unvaccinated individuals with a valid negative pre-event test result and children aged 12 and below may also be included in such groups. For hawker centres and coffee shops, the limit will remain at up to 2 people regardless of vaccination status. Working from home will be the default for employees who are able to do so, and the 10-day SNAP WFH regime will be suspended during this stabilization phase. Other workplace rules remain the same. Social gatherings will continue to be disallowed. Employees, contractors and vendors who are unable to work from home are strongly encouraged to self-test weekly. And those who are able to work from home but need to return to the workplace for ad hoc reasons may do so after testing negative on an ART. To protect younger kids ineligible to get vaccinated, home-based learning will be extended by 1 day to October 7th, a Thursday. The following day, October 8th, is Children's Day. Private education institutions must also implement HBL for all students 12 and below until October 10th. During this period as well, in-person tuition and enrichment classes for those aged 12 years and below must be held online or be suspended. Preschools will remain open, but parents are encouraged to keep their children at home